Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about a topic that is apiculture, revision of chapter number 9. So, let's think what is apiculture. Apiculture is apiculture is maintenance or management of beehives, right? Maintaining beehives for what? For two products, that is bee wax and honey. Okay students, so these are the two products of the apiculture. We are going to maintain a beehive for it, right? So whenever I talk about the products of apiculture, bee wax is used in cosmetics and policies. Remember, this is the primary product of the apiculture. Don't write as a honey as a primary product, it is secondary product. It is used in indigenous system of medicine, right? You are familiar how it is used, right? Okay, it is taken with certain ayurvedic medicines, right? But the main product is beeswax and it is used in cosmetic and policies, right? It is used in ointments, it is used in shaving cream, it is used for the lotions everywhere. Okay, so whenever I want to do a beehiving, right, where I can do it? Okay, first of all, beehive can be done at a suitable place, that is fruit orchards, where there is fruit orchards, right, where bee can be pastures, right? Bee pastures means bee can suck the nectars. Fruit orchards, then crop, then wild shrubs, such kind of places bee keeping can be done. Now what will be benefit? It result in pollination, okay, that will directly result in crop yield, increase in crop yield, right? And bee gets nectar to synthesize the honey. So this is the main thing, that bee pastures are such places where bee can collect the nectar. So we can do beekeeping at these places. Okay students, now when I talk about this, with it you can also do beekeeping at a very similar places, on the terrace, veranda. Such kind of places are also suitable for beekeeping, right? See, beekeeping is a process in which you don't require intensive labor work. Even there is no high cost investment. Okay, nowadays for conveniency to handle, artificial beehives are artificial beehives are used, right? This can be used for easily handling, right? To carry it from one place to another, you can easily handle the different season, right? In different season, so artificial beehives are nowadays more used. Okay, now students, this bee are pollinating. Bees are common pollinators in many plants, right? Are common pollinators. For example, brassica, sunflower, pear, such type of plants. These are common pollinators, right? Apple. So these plants are going to be pollinated. This will give us fruit and seed, and that will economically benefit the person. Even you are going to get these two products also. Okay, so this is about the beekeeping. Now how can I manage, or what information I should have while beekeeping. So first, right, we should have knowledge of habit and nature, right? In previous video I have explained the types of bees, right, which were the Apis dorsata, Apis indica, Apis florae and Apis mellifera. But out of these, two are only mild in nature, right? Apis indica and Apis mellifera. And in India, Apis indica is most common. Apis indica is most common. Remember this. And its nature is mild. Apis mellifera nature is also mild. Apis indica yields us 3 to 4 kilogram of honey, right? Okay. While Apis dorsata is very aggressive in nature and Apis florae is timid in nature. Okay. Second is selection of suitable location. Okay. Second one is selection of suitable location. See, whenever we select, I already said where it can be done, where there are fruit orchards, crop, wild shrubs. You can also do it on veranda, right, on terrace. Such kind of places are suitable for bee hiving. Third one, catching of swarms. Those bees which goes, right, which flew, that should be catched, right? During the collection of honey, they move from one place to another, but they should be catch and again rehive it in a beehive. Okay. Fourth one, management of beehives in different season. This knowledge is very important because in India you can see different seasons. Management of beehive in different season. Okay. So we should know, or we should have information how to manage the bees in different season. Fifth one is collection of honey and bee wax. This knowledge also should be present, right? So this is about the various techniques how to completely acquire the information about the apiculture. Means a person who is doing apiculture should have information on this all the properties. Okay, first one that I said as the habit and nature, how much yield of honey, and aggressive nature, mild nature, timid nature, which is the best suitable, that is mild nature. Okay, then selection, catching, management and collection. Okay, so this was all about the today's revision topic. Thank you.